Welcome back to another incredible tutorial about Google search trick that you need to know right now. And in this video, I will give you at least 2 tricks that you can use to search anything on Google right now without stressing yourself. So with that being said, let's get started. And then you go ahead and type in right here, time zone, check. Then you go ahead and type in colon and now type in time in Nigerian Lagos and hit enter. And in a few seconds, you have the accurate time of that particular location, just like so. Let's say, for instance, you want to check for China. So you just want to make sure you come to the top right here, click on here, and then change to China. So time in China, and hit enter, and you get accurate time in China, just like what you see right here. So if you are interested to know different country time zone, this is how best to check it on Google without any stress. And this is one of the incredible ways to search in Google. Let me give you the second way to search on Google as far as this tutorial is concerned. Another way to search on Google, if you come to your address bar, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to create a new tab. And then if you come to your address bar, so I will create a new tab and you come to your address bar right here and you type in dictionary lookup. So when you type in dictionary lookup, then you have to add colon and then meaning of biology and then hit enter. In a few seconds, you get the exact meaning from dictionary of what biology is all about. You can click on show more right here. This will give you more details about it. The more you scroll down, the more you see information about that particular keyword. However, you are getting the specific keyword result right here. If you click on the next page right here, which is page 2, you are still going to get information about that particular keyword that you want to know the meaning. Like for instance, you can go ahead and come to the top right here, decide to change this into another word. You can say meaning of so you can say this time around, you can say meaning of mistress. Okay, and then hit enter. You are going to get variety meanings based on different dictionary. Click on here to see more. You can see more about mistress right here. Everything here is going to be primarily centered on the keyword you enter, just like so. You can click on page 2 right here. It takes you here and you still get the same information about the keyword you enter in Google search. Let me know what you think about these tips and tricks on Google search in the comment section down below. And this is the part 2 of me showing you on how you can actually search on Google. For more useful tutorial about Google search topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.